Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ChatGPT for AI automation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into ChatGPT, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for ChatGPT. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the CAPTCHA. Once verified, you will successfully log into your ChatGPT account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can find various options for AI automation workflows. To create a new workflow, click on the Create New Workflow button. Choose the type of automation you want to set up. Follow the guided prompts to configure your automation settings. Input any necessary parameters for your workflow. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Once finalized, click the Save or Submit button to save your workflow. You can now run and manage your AI automation workflows from the dashboard. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the Help section for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.